So today we're going to be doing an install video. We're going to be putting lowers on this 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Glide.
I got to run all the way. Thank you.
First thing that we have to do is get these highway pegs off of the crash bars. I hope that the lowers don't interfere with my highway pegs. I had them turned out as low as I can get them to have the maximum reach for my legs to make it more comfortable for me. So they were lined up perfectly, but I had to take them off in order to get the lowers on. Speaking of the lowers, you haven't seen them yet. Let's take a look at them. Here's the one. I didn't take it out of the plastic yet. So you can see what it looks like. And these are just inexpensive lowers that you can get. Inexpensive lowers that you can get online. They have the vent, you can open them up. Has a little, don't want to drop them, has a little slide right there where you can open the vent up, and it has a glove compartment box. Not only do I have lowers, but I have some extra storage. Maybe I can put, I don't know, I'll find something to put in there. I don't mind the air so much. I actually like feeling the air, but I am a year-round rider, so if it helps in the wintertime too, keeping my feet warm, that'd be great. If it rains, it'll keep my feet dry. There's a screw right there in the top, right there, that we have to unscrew in order to get this piece off. So we're gonna get this screw out here and get the top of it off. We got that unscrewed, so this outside just pops off. You can see where it comes off here. So we're just gonna get this pulled off, just like that. Now you'll see the bracket. Let's get this off and then mount it onto the crash bar. My bike is vivid black, and these lowers, I don't see any flaws. It looks great. So anyway, so let's get this bracket off and then let's get it on the bike. I'm not really excited about putting metal on metal. So what I'm going to do is cut a little piece of this packing styrofoam that they had and wrap it around the crash bar where the clamp's going to go onto. So got the bracket off here. So this is good enough, about that size. I'm just going to put it on there so it's not metal on metal. There, put it out here. Now I got the bracket, the top bracket on, not really snug. I put that white styrofoam there just because I didn't want it rubbing on my engine guard. Here. So I just slid that clamp on down here. There's a hole right there. It's what I'm going to be attaching. I'm going to be running the bolt through there and putting the nut on the end of it. It took a little while to get this bracket on the bottom. The screw that they give you is not really long enough, and you have to forcefully clamp that and press that through at the same time. If they just made this a little bit longer, it would go through there a lot easier. Now that I got the clamp on, I'm going to put the front cap on this lower, so this side will be complete. It just snaps in there just like this. Tighten it down. All right, so now that we got the lowers put on, all we have to do is put our highway pegs back on and then we'll be finished.